Hi everyone, welcome to Maths Vishwanand sir. Those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get regular notification of my new videos. Students, let us see. So continuity part 3, practice questions for KCT and JEE. In the last video, we have solved some question based on direct method and Yale hospital rule here. So now let me explore to some more numericals today. Okay. So the question number 1, if f of x is equal to e raised to 3x minus 1 whole upon 4x for x not equal to 0, k plus x divided by 4 for x is equal to 0. So he said it is continuous at x is equal to 0. What is the value of k is asking here. So already he has mentioned continuous at x is equal to 0, nothing but he has stated directly left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to function value at that point here x equal to 0. So task is to find the value of what here k here. Okay, so here x not equal to 0, nothing but in the last video I explained here either it may be x less than 0 or x greater than 0 here. LHL and RHL have defined at the same point here. So now let me take here LHL equal to f of a or RHL equal to f of a. These two has to be what here equal here. Okay, so if I make equal directly these two here, e raised to 3x minus 1 whole upon 4x is equal to k plus x by what here 4. This is so limit x tends to this what here limit x tends to 0 f of x. Okay, so this is what here your f of a, nothing but f of 0. If I put directly x equal to 0 here, 3 raised to 0 is 1. So e raised to 3 raised to 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 by 4 into 0, 0, 0 by 0 form here. So you need to apply what here Yale hospital rule compulsory. Okay, so what will happen here? So derivative of e raised to 3x is what here? E raised to 3x into derivative of 3x is what here? 3. So derivative of 4x with respect to x is what here? 4. So don't differentiate this side here, only differentiate at the limit part where you are taking your limit here. So it is simply what here? K plus x by what here? 4. Now you apply x equal to 0. If I apply x equal to 0 here at x equal to 0, what will happen here? So 3 raised to e raised to 3 into 0 is what here? 1. So 1 into 3 by 4 equal to here apply x equal to 0, k plus 0 by 4. 4 cancel. So k is equal to 1 into 3 is what here? 3. Hence option number B is correct. Okay. Now go with next question here. If f of x is equal to log of x plus k for x greater than 0, cos kx for x is less than equal to 0. Here we define RHL for x greater than 0. Here you define LHL and f of 0. Now you simply make equal to what here? LHL equal to RHL because his already function is continuous. Okay, so directly you take the value here cos of x plus k. If you put x equal to 0 here, what will happen here? Log of so 0 plus k, nothing but what here? Log k. Here you put x equal to 0 directly here. So k into 0 nothing but cos 0. Cos 0 value is what here? 1. Log k equal to 1. He is asking the value of k. So here the base is what here? E. So k is equal to e raised to 1. Keep remember nothing but k equal to what here? E. Students remember here if log a to the log a to the base b is equal to m. So once you remove the log it becomes what here? A is equal to b raised to m. So same fashion here log k to the base e equal to 1, then k is equal to e raised to 1, nothing but k equal to what here? E. Hence option number B is correct here. Okay. Now see the next question here. So if f of x equal to x plus lambda for x less than 3, 4 if x equal to 3, 3x minus 5 for x greater than 3. He's asking is continuous at x equal to 3, find the value of what here? Lambda. So for x less than 3 it is LHL, it is f of a, it is what here? RHL. So what he asked here? Lambda value. Lambda, so here in the part of LHL it comes here. Now let you make equal these two values here. So x plus lambda equal to what here? 4. X plus lambda equal to 4 nothing but LHL equal to f of a. Now for the value of x here, x equal to what here? 3. So 3 plus lambda equal to 4, then lambda equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. Hence option number D is correct here. Now go with the fourth question here. Okay, so what is the question here? The value of x for which the function f of x is fails to continuous. At what value the function is fails to continuous? Nothing but for what are all the value of x where LHL is not equal to RHL is not equal to f of a. So either on the condition either LHL equal to LHL is not equal to RHL or which is not equal to f of a. So now check the continuity at 2 point here. One at x equal to 1, other at x equal to 2. Where equal comes at that such point you need to check continuity. At x equal to 1 also you need to check here. At x equal to 2 also you need to check here. Check at x equal to 1 LHL as well as RHL. At x equal to 1, what is LHL here? Here you define LHL here. Apply x equal to 1 here. 1 minus 1 is what here? 0. So here you define RHL here, RHL for x greater than 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1, 0. RHL is what here? 0. Even x equal to 1 comes here. F of a value, is also what here? 0. At x equal to 1, function is continuous, definitely. Now check at x equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, listen, at x equal to 2, what is LHL value and what is RHL value and what is f of 2 value. Okay, so x less than 2. Here you define LHL here. If I put x equal to here, 2 minus 2, 0. So LHL 0. So x greater than 2. Here it is RHL. 3 minus 2 is what here? 1. Definitely LHL is not equal to RHL. Note of checking f of 2. Hence the function is fails to continuous at x equal to what here? 2. Okay, question number 4, listen here. The points at which the function f of x plus 1 upon x square plus x minus 2 is discontinuous. It's like finding the domain of the function, same. So the function is of the kind what here? F of x is equal to, so here define whenever the function is of the type 1 by f of x, what is the condition of domain here? F of x so should not be equal to 0. So if it is equal to 0, it becomes what here? Not defined. Definitely you write here x square plus x minus 12 not equal to 0. Nothing but if you factorize this guy, it becomes what here? X plus 4 into x minus 3 not equal to 0. Okay, so then x is not equal to minus 4, then x is not equal to what here? 3. Hence the answer is what here? So x should not be equal to 3 minus 4. Definitely option number B. Okay, hope you understood these questions, students, here. So now it's time to congratulate the student, so Miss Archana Kanti, for being the fastest finger on continuity part 2 video. So students, let me give some question for you. Okay, here are some questions for you. So try to work it out separately. Send answer in the comment box here. Hope you understood. Bye bye. Take care.